Hi everyone, I hope you will be fine. Today my topic is about the mic which is very important for video making, for making video on YouTube. And also I want to share with you, there are only few things which are very important for every video. First of all, the video which we are making we are making it as a passion. We must be passionate first of all, and the topic is very important, the topic which we are choosing, and this is also very important. Other thing is the video and voice quality. For video, camera of your mobile or your camera must be good, and the voice quality is very important. So I have been making videos from last few months, and today I have purchased this mic because I saw voice quality of videos were not going good. So this is why I have purchased Boya M1. This is a very good mic, and this is used for both. We can use for cameras, we can use for mobiles. Let's see, let's unbox and then let me show you how it looks like. Here is the packet of the camera, the manual book, its manual book. Everything is mentioned on it, and here is the box. This is very good packing, and I think it's leather bag. Sounds good. Let's see further inside it. What is this? This is silica, I think gel. It's silica. Here is the battery. It's a battery, you can say cell. A cell is used in this camera as a battery, mini battery, you can say. Where is the mini battery? This is the mini battery of this. This is the wire. It has very lengthy wire, which is very good if we are making videos inside or outside. This wire can be very helpful. Here is the mic. This is the mic. This is the mic, and let us put the mic cover on it. Here it is. What is inside? Here is the pin lock, and we can fix it here, and can fix to our collar of our shirt or coat or jacket. Anywhere we can fix it. And now let us put the battery of this small battery, this small cell inside the camera. It's a mic. Here is the portion. You can see I'm not very professional in making videos. I'm just trying, and I will try my best to make as good as could be possible for me. We have to see where is the positive sign and where is the negative. this is very important. And also positive and negative side is mentioned on it. Yeah, this is positive side, so we have to put it in this way. Here we have fixed the cell inside it. Now we will close it. Here we are closing. There are two types of settings on the camera. I will show you. Let me close it now. It is very simple, but not so difficult. Okay, this is the pin also, which we can use for cameras. This pin we can use on different devices to connect it, and we can connect wire. Yes, there it is, connected. And further, I think we have all of the parts of the camera. Sorry, I'm saying camera, of the mic. Everything is in front of you. In my next video, I will surely update you about the feedback. And here are two settings which I was going to tell you. One is for camera, one setting is for camera, and other setting is for smartphone, camera and smartphone. It is mentioned camera and smartphone. You can see Boya. When we are not using, we must keep it off to save the battery. I will surely update you about this mic feedback in my next video. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please, I will be thankful to you, and please like, subscribe my channel, and watch the videos. I hope it will be good, beneficial for you, for them who want to make videos on YouTube. Few things are very important. I have already told with you guys. I told you the content, which is very important, voice quality of the video, and the video itself should be good, and content should be good. There must be passion showing inside the video. So everything which people do, the people which do it with the devotion, they become successful. So I pray for your success. Thank you very much, and wait for the next video. Thank you. Bye.